Okay, so last night, Ace started hollering at me like, "Mom, what's going on? Why you haven't taken me to school yet?" And I'm like, because it's Saturday. We don't go to school on Saturdays. Do you not remember that there's weekends? Like think about when you were in pre-K, how you didn't go to school on certain days. It's the same thing here in kindergarten. So he was like, okay, can we just go to the splash pad or go to the he asked to go to somewhere else. I can't remember what it was, but he one of the options that he asked about was definitely the splash pad. So I'm like, sure, tomorrow I'm gonna get y'all up and ready and y'all gonna go to the splash pad, right? So we get there and Ace is having a good time as always. He's always having a good time because we have learned that Ace is really big on water. He loves the pool. He enjoys his swimming lessons. He just loves to be in water all day, every day, nonstop. If he could be water, he would definitely just be one in the ocean. Okay, so he's just here having a really good time. They like to splash each other. August not so much, but these two they like to have competition. Sometimes Ace can't really dish when he takes out, when he passes out. So it was just fun and interesting to just be on the pad with them, recording, watching them play, seeing what they going to do. What they're finding amusing and amazing and fun. Next, right? So August was really warming up to the water. Like he ended up he got upset about something. I think it was somebody not giving him his favorite item, the fish thing that he likes to play on. And he got upset about that and ran over. So I was like, look, we need to learn that you don't own the splash pad. We come here all the time. And every time we come here, you never want to play in the water. You just want to spray other people in the water. So I had Aiden walk him around and just try to just take him into some of those like smaller little like sprinkler things that weren't as high like the one we walking past now because he wouldn't dare go near that. So they're going over here now to this like windmill thing. And he was enjoying all of the other little stuff. So they're at this windmill thing that had turned on like later on in the day. And they went over to participate in that. I feel like these aren't as fun. Like this one is mild, like to the point where August could have taken it if he was bold enough to take it. But he was just not really, he's just not that guy. And I really am on the hunt to find out what is his thing. Like I see that the water is it for Ace. Like it just makes him so happy. It's his joy in life. And I just want to find whatever that is for August so that we can go and do that as well. Like these buckets right here, look at it. This is what he lives for. Like this is the most fun thing for him. And he just loves to be just drenched and soaked and just having a good time. So then this bug comes flying. This big wasp. It had got on me earlier in the day on my arm. I knocked it off. It goes on my jeans. It goes chasing Ace around. And then I had him come back over to me and it was on his back the whole time, on the back of his shirt. So he starts hollering, "Oh no, get me out of here. Now I'm never coming back to this splash pad." So then we move over to the other side because they had a playground over there. And we had never been on the playground side. We were always in the water. And this playground was so good. Like, look at how they have these zip lines for kids that they can enjoy and not, be too high or not be intimidated by. I was so happy to see these because they even had a smaller, more baby con for August. And, he's not really that outgoing and he don't really like to be in heights and stuff like that. So I put him in this one and look at him. He's smiling. He's happy. It was just perfect for him. He did it like 49 times. It wasn't intimidating at all. He wasn't scared at all. And like I said, he's usually just scared of everything. So I was glad that I had found something while we were out that he really, really enjoyed. But I still feel like there's a thing out there, whether it's going to be baseball, basketball, soccer, some sport or something. It's just not water though. It's not water. And I want to figure out what that thing is that he loves to do so I can have him really start getting into that and, just bettering his craft at. And so then they went on this little thing that's like spin around on. They had a really good time out here. I'm so glad that we went out today. I love keeping them active because it just makes my day like easier. I don't feel so overwhelmed because they're busy doing things. And I hope you guys enjoy this video because we really enjoy being out today doing this.